Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys what you can get from the Season 1 egg in Plants vs. Brainrots. Now, you are able to get it on the 7th level on the Season Pass for free, but there's also a premium Season 1 egg as well on the 8th level, on level 8, I guess. You can also purchase it from the shops here, costs 300 tokens. Here's what you can get. I'm not going to say it. Okay, there's this 1%, this 9%, Kabumarani 35%, and Vichio Basket. I think you get it from the first level anyways, which is this one. So let's open it and see what we get. Please let it be something other than that basketball. Oh my god. Okay, I knew that was gonna happen. But anyways, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.